do when I'm setting up my trailer is plug in the shore cord. This is a 30 amp shore cord. Some trailers get a 50 amp shore cord, which is just a little bit bigger and heavier. This one has 3 sockets on it, the third one being an L-shaped socket that'll match up to your shore cord base. The 50 amp version is going to have 4, but it connects the very same way. Your trailer should also have come equipped with a shore cord adapter. This adapts it from the 30 amp plug, which is recommended if you're going to be running your air conditioner and things like that in just general use, and adapts it down to a regular 15 amp house style plug. I don't recommend using this when running your air conditioner and things like that, as it just doesn't provide enough power to run everything. To connect the shore cord to your trailer, you open the lid, match up the L-shaped prong to the L-shaped socket, give it a shove and about a quarter of a turn. Tighten that nut and you're ready to go.